Welcome to SEO Daily. In a significant maneuver just last night, the Union government introduced an ordinance contradicting the Supreme Court's May 11th Constitution Bench judgment. The SE's recent decision reaffirmed Delhi government's administrative powers in the NCT of Delhi after an 8-year-long clash between the Union and Delhi governments for power over the capital. So, what does the ordinance really say? And how does it contradict the Supreme Court's judgment? The ordinance performs three crucial functions. First, it removes entry 41 of the state list, which concerns services, from the Delhi government's control, circumventing the Supreme Court's ruling. The SE's recent decision clearly recognizes the powers and the necessity of these powers vested in the constitutionally recognized and democratically elected government of the NCT of Delhi. While the Parliament's powers to make laws in the NCT Delhi are undisputed, the Union Executive's powers in the NCT are specifically limited to public order, police, and land. Second, the ordinance creates a new body, the National Capital Civil Services Authority. This body, made up of the Chief Minister and 2 union appointees, will decide on civil service matters in Delhi. Decisions, which typically require a minimum of 2 members present, will be made through voting. The union's hold over 2 of the 3 seats severely undermines the role of the only elected member on the committee, which is Delhi's Chief Minister. So any recommendations that need to be made on transfers or disciplinary steps, among others, will fall to the union government's representative, which is the Lefnan governor, for approval. Finally, if a disagreement arises between the committee and the Lefnan governor will have the final say. In its recent decision, the Supreme Court recognized a triple chain of accountability, which links civil servants, Delhi's elected ministers, and the Delhi electorate. With this new ordinance, the chain is arguably broken. Civil servants will find themselves answering more to the union executive rather than the ministers they work under, leaving Delhi's electorate on the sidelines. The Supreme Court acknowledged Delhi's unique or sui generis status and its federal structure under Article 239AA. This structure was intended to let Delhi's people have a say in their governance. However, this ordinance threatens to push Delhi back to a unitary structure, curtailing its democratically elected local power. Now, this isn't the first time that the union government has tried to circumvent the Supreme Court rulings. Other cases on the Supreme Court's docket include tenure extensions for CBI and ED directors and tribunal reforms, where union laws have similarly attempted to reverse Supreme Court decisions through ordinances. To read more about the Supreme Court's rationale for its verdict in the Delhi union dispute, go to seobserver.in. Thank you for watching.